hello there friends, good day, good day. I hope you're having a fantastic day. A day as good as mine. Oh man, it's hot out there. We're sheltering inside today because, man, the heat is absolutely unbelievable. 13 degrees Fahrenheit. And so normally we would have run to the hills, but even the hills are hot. So friend, as I was mentioning, I had mentioned 113, but I think it's more like 115. As a matter of fact, in the car it was like 118. So here we are in the mall. We're going to show you around, and that'll be traveling to a few stores and just showing you around, basically staying away from the heat. So I'll catch you along the way. So my friends, ordinarily, during normal business, this mall would be buzzing with people. Look at it now. That basically will tell you the state of really what's going on. Even though it's close to closing time, which perhaps is the reason. But at best, we're heading to one of our favorite treats. We hope they're open. C's Candies. I can't wait to take you there. Well, my friends, I guess there's no chocolate for me today. Godiva is closed. There goes my luck and my chocolate for the day.
I'm good at pretending that I'm not a mess, but you are the reason my heart beats through my chest. One step forward and two steps back. This is how we do our dance. I never thought I could love you. Now I need you here forever.
So my friends, I finally finished shopping. Whew, man, it's quiet in here, but it's very cool inside. So I got some goodies. I'm just gonna show you what I have. What my loot is. Oh. This is it. Here we go. Bag full of goodies. And off we go. So my friends, until next time. So my friends, until next time, this is your Jamaican on the Move. Thanks for coming along with me. A very quiet day today. Nothing too exciting, but I did get some goodies. But until then, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. I will see you soon. One love. Peace. Love your neighbors.